What's going on, everybody? So, yes, I'm in my living room. I never show my house, I've heard. Anyway, I just wanted to address something real quick to the 5 or 6 people that watched Pinnacle's video with me yelling and screaming and cussing, and then the wife yelling, screaming, and cussing. So he turns the video around and makes it look like or sound like she's yelling at me. But what he doesn't realize is she's yelling and cussing at him because he posted our daughter. I don't think he understands that's what we're really pissed about, other than scamming people, is the fact that he posted my daughter. And then now he's talking, I don't want to say talking crap, but my mom got involved trying to be nice because she's a nice person. She's just going to have to understand he is a psychotic, mentally ill piece of shit. Excuse my language, but facts do be facts, right? Anyway, I just wanted to point that out. If y'all go watch the video, she is not yelling at me. She is yelling at him. Of course, he edited everything to make it look like this and look like that. He thinks I'm scared. What exactly is there to be scared of? He's called me out before to come to some boxing gym in New York. So you're in Vietnam with an expired visa. You can't go anywhere. How exactly are you going to box me in New York? I guess you're going to pull a Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure and fucking teleport to New York or something. Anyway, this is the inside of my living room, my big screen TV, my refrigerator. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Oh yeah, a trailer doesn't have a flat ceiling, by the way. But anyway, none of that matters. Y'all have a great day.